My name is Brian Hildebrand. I am the manager of cloud operations for ECi. So ECi it services 4 different vertical markets. So there's a field service, there's lumber and building materials, there's distribution and manufacturing. We offer our software as a service so that our customers don't have to go out and buy hardware, have to pay people to manage it for them. When you think of small, medium businesses, when they're deploying hardware, they're not necessarily deploying it so it's highly available. We started with 50 users and we're at just over 7,000 or right around 7,000 now. So the amount that it's exploded over time is not something that we foresaw as we started this. The partner piece is key to us, being a partner with IBM and then us being a partner with our customers and then them being a partner with their customers. So it's a nice cascading effect that happens that allows everybody to do what they do best, right? We do software and we do it well. Our customer does lumber or hardware or whatever it might be and they do it well. And then their end user, their customer, they build houses or they do home repair or whatever, and that allows them to focus on what they do best as well. So it's a nice line of business that happens there that allows everybody to focus on what they do best and being able to perform and offer something that's exceptional.